Good day, everyone. I am Justin Gulay, one of a member of the Group 6, and our topic to be discussed is about night audit. The night auditor is perhaps one of the most important positions in the hotel. So it's because he is the person who reconciles and records all the cash and credit transactions of the day. So it means that he or she is responsible for comparing and ensuring consistency in all the cash and credit transactions that occurred throughout the day. So, additionally, he or she records these transactions likely in a financial ledger or accounting system. So, this is to ensure and to maintain accurate and organized financial records. So, what is night audit? So, when we say night audit, it is usually happens or takes place during, of course, night. Night audit in a hotel is a crucial process that typically takes place during the late hours of the night. So it involves reviewing and reconciling the day's financial transactions and activities. So this includes checking guest accounts, verifying room charges, balancing financial accounts, and generating reports for the management. So, in simpler terms, during a night audit at a hotel, they check and make sure all the money related things from the day add up correctly. So this involves looking at what guests were charged for their rooms, making sure that the hotel's accounts are in balance, and creating reports for the bosses or for the management to know how the business is doing financially. So it's like a thorough check to ensure everything money related is accurate and in order. So his broad functions are: first, he or she verified posted entries to guest and non-guest accounts, so he or she checked if the charges and payments on guest and non-guest accounts are correct. Next is balancing all front office accounts, so he or she makes sure all the money coming in and going out at the front desk adds up correctly. So next is resolving room status and rate discrepancies. So he or she will fix any issues with room information or charges that don't match up. So next, monitoring credit limits. So it means he or she will keep an eye on how much guests are allowed to spend on credit. Next is producing operational and managerial reports. So it means he or she will create reports for both day-to-day operations and for managers to understand how the hotel is running financially. Night auditor. So he prepares the daily sales recapitulation sheet of all revenue from various sales outlets and daily transcript, which is a detailed report of all guest transactions. So daily sales recapitulation sheet is a summary of all the money earned from different places in the hotel. So like restaurants or shops. Daily transcript, on the other hand, daily transcript is a detailed report of everything guests did financially, like what they paid for and any other transactions. So he works at night when all revenue outlets finish their evening shifts and submit their sales summaries to the front office cashier. So, in simple words, the night auditor does their job during the night after all the places in the hotel that make money, like restaurant or shops, have closed for the day. So they collect the reports summarizing the sales from these places, which are submitted to the cashier at the front desk. So this is the example of daily sales recapitulation sheet, and this is the example of the sales summary sheet. So this is the organization of the night audit function. So first we have the chief accountant, second we have income accountant, and last we have night auditor. So the night auditor will report to the income accountant, and the income accountant will report to the chief accountant. Duties of a night auditor. So first, complete outstanding postings. So it means he or she will finish any tasks related to recording financial transactions that were not completed earlier. Second, reconcile room status discrepancies. So it means he or she will make sure that the information about the status of rooms matches up correctly. Third is verify room rates. So it means he or she will check and confirm the charges for different types of rooms. Next is balance all departmental accounts. So he or she will ensure that the money accounts for each department are in harmony and accurate. Next is verify no-show reservation. So it means he or she will confirm reservation where guests didn't show up to ensure accuracy. Next is post room rates and taxes. So it means he or she will record the charges for rooms and taxes. Next, prepared required reports. So he or she will create necessary documents summarizing financial and operational information. Next is prepare cash receipts for deposit. So it means that he or she will get the money received ready for depositing in the bank. Next is clear all backup systems. So, so it means that he or she will ensure that redundant system or records are updated and accurate. And last, distribute reports. So he or she will share the created reports with relevant individuals or department.
Good day, ma'am. I am Rebecca Bakatkat, and I am a next reporter. So my topic is all about revenue areas. Night auditor responsibility, which is telephones, restaurant and bars, banquets, pantry shop and delicatessen, room service, outside catering, flower shop, business santry, health club and beauty salon, front office cashier. So next one is telephone. Telephones are used to transmit voice conversation, allowing people to talk each other when they are not all in the same place. Telephone conversation can be between two people, which is most common case of between multiple people at once. So telephone managing incoming calls, assisting guests with inquiries of requests, and ensuring effective communication during the night shift. For example, answer, answering guest calls, providing information. Next one is restaurant and bars. The main purpose of the bar is to serve alcohol. Of course, while the main purpose of the restaurant is serving the food. So, restaurant and bars overseeing transaction in hotel, restaurant, and bars, reconciling financial records, and addressing any issue related to food and beverage service during the night. For example, managing transaction in the hotels, restaurant, and bars, reconciling cash registered, and ensuring accurate records of food and beverage sales. So last one is banquets. Banquets are traditionally held to enhance the prestige of a house or reinforce social bond among wine contributors. Modern examples of these purposes include to charitable gathering, a ceremony, or celebration. So, banquets are handling reporting tasks related to banquets event, such as financial summaries, attendance record, and any special requirements of issues that may arise during banquets. For example, compiling a detailed report after a banquet event, including the numbers of attendance, any special summaries detailing revenue generated from the event. That's all.
Good day, and this is my topic, pastry and delicatessen. A pastry and delicatessen is a combination offers a diverse culinary experience. The pastry section caters to sweets, indulgences, providing a variety of cakes, pastries, and dessert. Meanwhile, the delicatessen focuses on savory offerings, offering gourmet sandwiches, cheeses, and curd meats. Next is the room service. Room service is a hotel amenity that allows guests to order food and drinks to their rooms. Hotel staff are arranged the meal with the appropriate dishware and condiments on a room service tray. It's an in-a-room dining best practice to offer guests a rolling room service table in case they don't know when to eat in the bed. The outside catering. One of the advantages of using an outside catering company is the flexibility they offer. They can adjust the menu to accommodate last-minute changes or unexpected guests. They can also provide additional service such as bartending, table setting, and clean up. And this outside catering is a form of providing party services at locations at the request of the customer. And ideal venues that customers mostly choose either beaches, gardens, suburbs, and building terrace or swimming pool, and etc. This service is suitable for most events such as weddings, conferences, team building, and birthdays. Next is the flower shop. Flower shops are the home to many different types and variety of flowers. On top of that, flower shops are retailers that create unique design and sell floral arrangement to individuals and arrange beautiful decor for large events. Also, to a nearby flower shop in a certain hotel would buy flowers to enhance the surroundings and add positive vibes and ambience inside the hotel. And if there is any event inside the banquet like weddings, parties or engagement, they could buy flowers to the nearest flower shop, and also the hotel staff must know where is the nearest flower shop kay if naay guest na mangutana or kung asa ba makapalit og bulak, they could easily tell the guest where was the nearest flower shop located.
Business centers. A business center is a physical place providing temporary office solutions to all types of business people and organizations. They offer a dedicated office space ranging from your own desk and workspace to printers, fax machines, server rooms, and much more. A business center refers to a designated area or facilities within the hotel premises that provides services and amenities, catering to the needs of business travelers. It serves as a convenient space for guests to conduct business-related activities while away from the regular office, providing them with the necessary with the necessary tools to stay productive during their stay. Health and Beauty Salon. A health club offers a range of fitness amenities such as gym equipment, classes, and personal training, promoting physical well-being. On the other hand, a beauty salon provides services like hair care, skin care, and massage, focusing on aesthetic and relaxation aspects. A health and beauty salon in a hotel is a facility that offers a range of services related to personal care, relaxation, and grooming. The goal is to provide guests with an opportunity to unwind, rejuvenated, and enhance their well-being during their stay at the hotel. Front office cashier. They are responsible for processing and receiving payments and issuing receipts to customers as they leave with their purchases. Cashiers also handle additional items necessary, such as coupons, while providing an excellent customer service experience. A front office cashier is an employee responsible for handling financial transactions that occur at the front desk or reception area. Their primary duties include processing guest payments, handling currency exchanges, managing petty cash, and providing guests with accurate and detailed receipts for their transactions.
Good day, everyone. I am Alan, and I'm going to report the task of night auditor. So, the first task of night auditor will confirm that all cashiers have submitted their sales summaries and reviewed the restaurant checks. And the second one is organizing the checks by revenue outlets helps streamline the accounting process and ensures efficient tracking of funds for each category, such as restaurants, bar, laundry, and etc. And the third is tallying the checks with sales summary sheets ensures accuracy and financial reporting and provides a cross verification to identify any discrepancies in the revenue records. And the fourth one is posting charged checks into guest folios is a crucial step in maintaining accurate billing for resident guests, like ensuring proper record keeping of expenses during their stays. And the fifth one is tallying the cash in each envelope with the cashier's declarations ensures precise reconciliation, maintaining financial accuracy down to the last dime for each revenue outlet. And the sixth is to complete the daily sales recapitulations sheets by providing specific details. And the seventh is the auditor verifies and fixes any inconsistencies in room status records. And the eighth task of the night auditor is to check if each guest room has a corresponding guest folio at the front office cash desk. And ninth is the auditor reviews guest folios ensuring the correct daily room rate is mentioned and posted for the day. And the 10th is the auditor checks departure dates and guest folios. If expired, investigates the guest's current status. And the 11th is to check auditor reviews the day's arrival list and confirming the absence of no-shows. And the 12th, the task of night auditor is the night auditor examines paid outs and allowances, ensuring proper authorization and record totals in the daily sales recapitulation sheets. And the last task of night auditor is to reconcile foreign currency encashment certificates with the record of foreign currency transaction for accuracy. In summary, or in overall, the night auditor is essential to maintaining the integrity and correctness of financial transaction in hotel. Thus, some of their duties includes balancing different accounts, confirming billing informations, checking room statuses, authenticating visitor folios, and examining spending authorizations. Furthermore, the night auditor frequently drafts and completes daily financial reports, which adds to the establishment's total's financial accountability and management.